Yeah, I just rewatched this trade and I was amazed. Because what looks like a clean entry here is actually years of trial, error, and refining the process. Trading is about consistency, not luck. Discipline is what makes a simple strategy powerful, and that's what I rely on in every session. So I'm proud to say that I created the best trading strategy to trade cryptos, binary options, forex, or any market you can think of. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.